about my love, she packed her things and walked out on me. She said she's going away tonight, and I know where she'll be heading to. So I'll worry, 'cause if I lose her, she's gone to my best friend. Ooh, my best friend. She's going to my best friend. My best friend. Please, Mr. DJ, play a song for me. I don't want my girl to leave me alone. Please, Mr. DJ, play a song for me. Please, Mr. DJ, play a song for me. Lord knows I need her so. She's the only one to make me feel alright. Please, Mr. DJ, play this song for me. She's going away, she's going away. I just can't stand this pain. Ooh, she's going away. Please, Mr. DJ, play this song for me. Please, Mr. DJ, don't you let me down. Walked out on me. She said she's going away tonight, and I know where she'll be heading to. So I'll worry, 'cause if I lose her, she's gone to my best friend. Ooh, my best friend. She's going to my best friend. My best friend. Please, Mr. DJ, please. The very first time that I saw your brown eyes, your lips were pale, and I said hi. I knew right there you were the one. But I was caught up in physical attraction. But to my satisfaction, baby, you're more than just a friend. And if I ever fall in love again, I will be sure that the lady is a friend. And if I ever fall in love so true, I will be sure that the lady's just like you. If I say that I could be your one and only, promise, promise, promise you'll never leave me lonely. I just wanna be the one you need. I just wanna be the one who serves you. Sometimes I feel as if I don't deserve you. I'll cherish every moment we share. And if I ever fall in love again, I will be sure that
little voice saying, you might not remember me, but I had wanna dance with you. Ever since the night we met, I must tell you true. You danced into my life, never out of my mind. And now between me and my man, it's all over. That's what she said. And I just want us now to get closer. Ooh, she loves me now. That just means I can't complain. Oh, she loves me now. And I must admit I feel the same. And yet I know something special would have to come out. 'Cause the way you held the woman, there was no doubt. We would have to see each other and it would not be long before we hit it off with a love that's strong, strong, strong. Though I know someone out there is hurt, but we got to get it on. It's natural that we were meant for each other. And if you run your life the way you dance, I'd be proud of that night I made my advance. She loves me now. That just means I can't complain. She loves me now. Must admit, I'm coming home from a hard day's work now.
Need some good meditation.
Don't need no stress to come and rattle my brains now. Oh. It's bad enough that the pay ain't working out, but I was dealing with the matter till you came about and cramped my vibes. I want you to know when I see you, I see bad news coming. Oh yeah, and I wanna hide 'cause I see bad news coming. Yeah, immediately I get nervous, wondering if you got any hope. Like I'm in a circus, got me walking the tightrope every day, every day, every day, every day. Another day, another hard luck story. Oh yeah. And just like Saul, where is your mercy? It's bad enough that my woman is tripping out. Oh God, got so much things I don't want to talk about, but you think you're a dope, so when I see you, I see sad news coming. Oh God, I wanna hide 'cause I see bad news coming. Yes, immediately I get nervous, wondering if you got any hope. Like I'm in a circus, you got me walking the tightrope every day, every day, every day, every day. Yes. I see bad news, yeah. Down, Lord. Turn down the lights and light a candle, yeah. Please come across and hold me tight. Believe me, I don't wanna get entangled, no, 'cause I'm in a mellow mood tonight. Let's have a glass of wine. Good right now is the time. You make me shake and tremble so, believe me.
It's like I'm naked standing in the snow. Girl, turn off your lights and light a candle. Please come across and hold me tight. Baby, please don't let us get entangled. No, 'cause I'm in a mellow mood tonight. Now in time like this, you never can't resist. Girl, you surely make me feel the thrill. Believe me, just like a poor man finding $1 million bill. So turn it down. Turn it down, down, down. Turn down your lights and light the candle, girl. Please come across and squeeze me tight all through the night. I don't wanna get entangled, believe me, 'cause I'm in a mellow mood tonight. Girl, I'm in a mellow mood tonight. Lord, Lord, Lord. Hang on, come rain, come shine. We ring a star. But whenever there is a storm, I know there've got to be a calm. Lord, Lord, hang on, come rain, come shine. We'll soon see dawn. Cause although it's windy, not warm, Jah will guide us through the storm. Hang on, John gone down already. Hang on, got to hang on steady. Hang on, and we'll surely see the dawn. Jah Jah love will keep us warm. Whenever there is a storm, Jah know there got to be a calm. Lord have mercy, please hang on. Come rain, come shine. Hang on. Come rain, come I gave her back the key to her front door, 'cause it seems she didn't care about me anymore. I gave her all the love I had and and she spilled it, yeah. So I packed my things into a shopping bag and decided to quit. But Lord knows that I don't wanna be lonely tonight. I don't wanna be lonely tonight. I said I don't wanna be lonely tonight. But I would rather to be lonely than to live a dirty life. All of those things that we've been through used to make me happy, now make me blue. I didn't believe the things that I've heard, no. But now I've seen it with my own eyes. I know actions speak louder than words. But Lord knows that I don't wanna be lonely tonight. Granny know that I don't wanna be lonely tonight. I mean it, yes I mean it. I don't wanna be lonely tonight. But I would rather to be lonely than to live a dirty life. I'm so sorry we've been through. I'm so fed up, I don't know what to do. All of those things that we've been through, oh gosh, used to make me happy, now make me blue. I didn't believe the things that I've heard, no. But now I've seen it with my own eyes. I know actions speak louder than words. But Lord knows that I don't wanna be lonely tonight. Granny knows that I don't wanna be lonely tonight.
Hey. Who's gonna reach out? Who's gonna touch you? Who's gonna listen? Who's gonna hear you? You know I'll always be there. My girl, I'll always be there for you. I can solve your problem. Who's gonna reach out? Who's gonna be there? Not like the others that lead to nowhere. You know I'll always be there. My girl, I'll always be there for you. Whoa, but it's love, a funny feeling. Love, deep in my heart. Love, burning inside of me. Oh, when it's love, a funny feeling. Love, deep in my heart. Love, burning inside of me. Oh, who's gonna listen? Who's gonna hear you? Who's gonna reach out? Who's gonna touch you? You know I'll always be there. My girl, I'll always be there for you. I can solve your problem. Who's gonna reach out? Who's gonna be there, be there? Not like the others, that leads you just nowhere. You know I'll always be there. My girl, I'll always be there for you. Ooh, and it's love, a funny feeling. Love, deep in my heart. Love, burning inside of me. Sing again. Love, a funny feeling. Love, deep in my heart. Oh, baby. As the sun sets and the night goes around, I can feel my emotions coming down. But now it's Apple back. The covers from off my bed, saying to myself, tonight I'll forget. Tears, tears, falling like a rain. Tears, tears, now the heart knows my pain. Tears, oh tears, all the tears the heart couldn't hide. Tears, tears, when the tears becomes a good cry. If I could go back and change the hands of the clock, my heart will be singing. You heard it tick tock, 'cause the one that I love is gone far, far away, and it gets harder and harder to face another day. 'Cause every night when I lay my head down to sleep, baby, I hope and pray that this will be the last time I will. I heard them say that a man is not supposed to cry. He ain't supposed to cry, and that's dead and why. Now you can see that it's the reason why I cry. Falling like a rain. Tears, another heart knows my pain. Tears, tears, falling like a rain. Tears, oh tears, another heart knows my pain.
Yeah, no, I've never been someone shy until I seen your eyes. Still I had to try, yeah. Oh yes, let me get my words right and then approach you. Woman, I'll treat you like a man is supposed to. You'll never have to cry, no. I know everyone can relate to when they find a special someone, and she's royal, yeah, so royal, and I want her in my life. I never knew anyone so one of a kind, no. The way she moves to her own beat, she has the qualities of a queen. She's a queen. Ooh, ooh, what a natural beauty. No need no makeup to be a cutie. She's a queen. She's a queen. And when they ask what a good woman's made of, she's not afraid and ashamed of who she is. She's royal, yeah, so royal. And I need her in my life. I never knew anyone so one of a kind until the night that I seen her rise. My queen, so supreme. I can see it in her eyes, the way she smiles. Hey, yes I know the king and queen crown same time, so I'd never leave your side. Just stick with me through the trial times. Oh, and she says she no mind. Correct, I know good man is hard to find. And she can't about that giant no line. That's why she has no ties at this time. Yeah, I know many men are trying, but she needs to be more than wine and dine, because she's royal, yeah, so royal. And I want her in my life. I never knew anyone so divine. The way she moves to her own beat, she has the qualities of a queen. Push for you today, so supreme. It's like I'm have you know. You can't get away now. Me not let you go. See me? Feels like we've been together forever, and it looks like we're gonna be together a lifetime, baby. Feels like we found something to treasure, girl. And just like a precious jewel, you're all to me. Listen, it's plain to see there's chemistry. We found love so naturally, a perfect blend of harmony. I'm your words, you're my melody. 'Cause when I'm down, you lift my spirit. All my pains are being erased. Loving you is loving me, and you make it so easy. So remain no other like you. No longer wanna find you. You're my soulmate, so I need you. I'm make me please you. So remain, I'm glad I found you. No other like you. You're my soulmate. Oh, I need you, can't do without you. Now I found you, girl, ain't gonna search no more. And you can rock my world, heaven must have sent you. When I'm down, you lift my spirit. All my pains are being erased. Loving you is loving me, and you make it so easy. Soulmate, no other like you. You no longer wanna find you. You're my soulmate, so I need you. Man, I make me please you. You're my soulmate, girl, I love you. No other like you. You're my soulmate, 'cause I need you. Ooh, hey. Once in a while you find a love like this, you know. The love we have, we got to keep it, can't let it go. I'll be your roaring lion, I've been a Romeo. Love you every time you need it, and that's a me. 'Cause when I'm down, you lift my spirit. All my pains are being erased. Loving you is loving me, and gonna make it so easy. Soulmate, no other like you. No longer wanna find you. Soulmate, ooh, I need you. Woman, come and let me please you. Soulmate, no other. Don't need no Dr. X, I know I need my lover. You can't resist, no escape. The feelings start creeping up, coming your way. Can't do a thing no matter what they say. You find yourself walking around daydreaming. Roses being red and violets blue. She loves me, yes, she loves me not. That's what you do. You can't get a grip, I know you're acting foolish. Look in the mirror and say, what's this? Looks like something I go on. Love's contagious, something I go on. But it's the sweetest sickness, feeling inside bubbling over. You get a feeling inside bubbling over. Look like something I go on. Love's contagious, I don't need to be cured. Woman, you fill my prescription. Feel like a new man. You're like my vitamin, you keep me coming. Oh baby, you're my medicine. When I need you so, never letting you go. And when your love attacked me, I couldn't do a thing about it. No, me know want to see no pharmacist, no. Me just want you to come and treat me. Me no want no doctor come drugs me, no. All me want you do is diagnose me. Fill me up with all of your good stuff, girl. Fill me up, woman, I'm your patient. And I know it's real, the way I feel. No defense, you might get hooked. Start wonder if them tie you or if it's love push. Symptoms start show, I know you've got the look. It's like she need a medication or she need that drug. Scientists are searching to find an antidote. Can do what them experimental about. So don't feel guilty like it's a sin. Adjust the vibes and a regular thing. A little something I go around. Love's contagious. Something I go around. Oh, it's the sweetest sickness. Feeling inside bubbling over. And all I want is to my lover to come over. It's like something I go around. Love's contagious. Something I go around. But it's the sweetest sickness. Feeling inside bubbling over. No need no doctor right, I know I need my lover. But tell you something I go around. Love's contagious. I don't need to be cured. Woman, you fill my prescription. Feel like a new man. You're like my vitamin C. Oh me, you're my medicine. Woman, I need you so. Never letting you go. And when your love attacked me, I couldn't do a thing about it. And now I know I'm pushing no pharmacist. No, I just want you to come and treat me. I know I'm a doctor, come drugs me. No, all I want you to do is diagnose me. Fill me up with all of your good stuff, girl. Fill me up, woman, I'm your patient. Cause I know
sometimes it's like sugar, mom. How sweet it is to be loved by you, like sugar, baby. I needed a shelter of someone's arms, and there you were. I needed someone to understand my ups and downs, and there you were. Hey, with sweet love and devotion, deeply touching my emotions. I wanna stop and thank you, baby. I wanna stop and thank you, baby. Oh, how sweet it is to be loved by you. It sometimes tastes like sugar, baby. How sweet it is to be loved by you. Oh, close my eyes at night and wonder what would I do without you in my life. Everything I did was such a bore, and all the things I did seem like I did them before. But you brighten up all my days with a love so sweet in so many ways. I wanna stop and thank you, baby. I wanna stop and thank you, baby. How sweet it is to be loved by you. How sweet it is to be loved by you. Can't help smiling when I look at you. To keep from going crazy is all I can do. I'm so defenseless with you so close. The walls held crumble for my body and soul. Write your name across my heart. I want the world to know that I am yours forever. like a shining star. Write your name across my heart. Hey baby, for you my life is an open door. Everything I have is yours. I try to give you everything you need, but as far as love goes, there's a lifetime guarantee. Write your name across my heart. I want the world to know that I am yours forever, and I'll wear it like a shining star. Write your name across my heart. Thoughts and all my thoughts and all I do and all I say, I belong to you with every breath I take. Write your name across my heart. I want the world to know that I am yours forever, and I'll wear it like a shining star. Write your name across my heart, and I'll wear it like a shining star. Write your name across my heart. Oh yeah. Write your name. Write your name across my heart.
So forward, come turn me on. You told me that you're so forward, come turn me on now. Turn your lamps down low now, 'cause we ain't gonna linger no more. In a time like this, I know the feeling is so hard to resist. So turn me on now. Turn me on now. Don't you stay too long, 'cause right now I'm coming on strong. Please don't let me wait, 'cause tonight is the night for our date, yeah. So turn me on now. Turn me on now. Turn your lamps down low now, 'cause we ain't gonna linger no more. In a time like this, baby, but I would appreciate your company. For the smile that you were smiling means more than just a smile. So I just give you my calling, keeping a very low profile. All the while, your love worth more than money, worth much more than gold. To me, you're like a story that has never yet been told. Here in my heart, my woman, you can have my word, but this ain't no promise like those that you have heard. You're the starlights in my heaven and the moonlights in my sky. I want you to be mine, oh mine. So woman, please don't say bye-bye. You're my kind of lady. I can tell by the way you smile at me. I don't mean maybe, but I would appreciate your company. For the smile that you were smiling means more than just a smile. So I just live in my corner, keeping a very, very low profile. Wrong. That's what you are. With you I wanna be. Now until eternity, woman, don't you ever set me free. I can't believe it. Look what you've done. You brought me sunshine in my life when you came into my way. You made my day. Believe you me. But since you're gone, my life is overfilled with pouring rain, yeah. Since you start drifting away, girl. Rain, rain, go away. Let my sunshine come back again. Believe you me. Rain, rain, go away. When will this overcast shower end? Oh yes, it's true. You gave me love and let me feel like Christmas in January. And we were married, girl. But now you're gone, my life is overfilled with pouring rain, yeah. I'm so unhappy. Believe you me. Even now, rain, rain, go away. Let the sunshine come back to stay. Oh, talking about rain, rain, go away. Can't take another wet and cloudy day. Believe you me. Oh, I'm so fed up. Oh, girl. Rain, rain, go away. Let my sunshine come back again. Believe you me. talking about rain, wind, go rain. When will this overcast shower end? Oh, you gave me love and let me feel like Christmas in January.
Yeah. Where can I find my black Cinderella? She cannot be far away. My black Cinderella, oh my, show up your face, for I've got to find to give you happiness right away. So where can I find my black Cinderella? Yeah, if I could find my black Cinderella. Oh Lord, I would be happy, happy man. Oh Lord, my black, one and only Cinderella. Oh, tell me what kind of man would treat his woman so cold? Treat you like you're nothing when you're worth more than gold. Girl, to me you're like a diamond. I love the way you shine. $100 million treasure. I give the world to make you mine. I put a string of pearls right in your hand. Make love on the beach of jet black sand. Outside in the rain, we can do it all night. I touch all the places he would not, and someone never knew I get too hot. Nothing is forbidden when we touch. Baby, I wanna do all the things a man wants to. I do them for you, baby. I wanna do all the things a man wants to. I do them for you. I take you out on a night cruise on a yacht. Just get loose, 'cause we got a lot to look forward to. 1, 2, what you gonna do? What good is a diamond? Nobody can see, nobody can see. I hear we got you all locked down, but I got the master key. Yeah. I light 1,000 candles all around. Show me to the sun where I'll go down. Nothing can be sweeter than the sound of making love. Baby, when I start, I just can't stop. I love you from the bottom to the top. Nothing is forbidden when we talk.
It is woman so cold.
Love what you do, yeah. I like it, yes. Do it, yes. They see her dancing and say she's freaky. They watch the move she makes and ask how good she is. All because she whine on her toes and puzzle the pros. How she does her thing, nobody knows, yes. I think she's a beauty. And when the bassline pounds and she lets her hair fall down, I just wanna hang around to see if she will slow down. Make some way, part that crowd, place me right there in front row. I can't afford to miss 1 minute of the show. I hope when she's dancing, she's looking straight at me. Make it feel like special for me personally, yeah. Dance, girl, dance. Do everything you never did before, yeah. Make me wanna run home to my girl and hope she dances as neatly. I know she loves to create and she does it sweetly. Hey, find my girl up on your toes, and if we should fall down, yes, remember we're at home. Yeah. Some more. Amen. And when the bassline pounds, she lets her hair fall down. Just wanna hang around to see if she will slow down. Boy, give me some way, part that crowd, place me right there in front row. I can't afford to miss. No. I said, girl, look, she's dancing, and I love it. She's gone, she's gone, she's gone, she's gone. This morning the sun came right through my window. I reminisced about you, yes. How could you do this? I'm so used to having you reaching over and hold me, yeah. Oh, say good morning and tell me you love me and share an early laughter, yeah. Oh, I'm missing you. I'm speaking from my heart, girl. Oh gosh, I'm missing you. Whenever there's a moon in the sky, I just pray somewhere in your mind, you know we're gonna meet again. Hey, whatever it is that made you run away, hope my sanity's not part of your plan. Now who's gonna compliment my cooking and lick that plate clean and say you're the wickedest chef? Oh, you wanna know who's gonna wash the dishes and clean up after me? Then you shouldn't have left home. Try to iron one simple shirt and it ends up double seam. Kettle on the fire vessels, but hey, the water could always burn. Yes, I got to go on with life, yes, for what it's worth. You never been in my shoes, listen how it hurts, yeah. When last night the rain came, yes, and I counted every raindrop. Oh, yeah, I cursed the night and I prayed, yeah. 'cause I just wish it would stop. Oh, yeah. There's no perfect night rain without two people enjoying, and toying around. But after you love someone for so long, how do you let it go? How do you let it go? Baby, I miss you, and I'm speaking from my heart, girl. Hey, I'm missing you. Never there's a moon in the sky. Hey, and I just pray somewhere in your mind, you know we're gonna meet again. With all the millions and millions of men in the world, I'm so proud you only have eyes for me, baby. Let me say when the chips were down and almost next to worse, you were the cushion when I felt bad, you were my nurse. So respect to you, baby. Respect every time. Respect to your mama, she must have had me on her mind. Respect to you, baby. Respect every time. Respect to your mama, she must have had me on her mind. I thank God for you. I thank God for you. I must be the luckiest, most fortunate one with man in the world. It feels so good to tell everyone how I feel. When she sees me in the crowd, she can call my name out loud. Alongside me on the streets, make me feel proud. So respect to you, baby. Respect every time. Respect to your mama, she must have had me on her mind. Respect to you, baby. Respect every time. Respect to your mama, she must have had me on her mind. I thank God for you. I thank God for you. All the millions and millions of men in the world, I'm so proud that you only have eyes for me. Let me say when the chips were down and almost next to worse, were the cushion when I felt bad, you were my nurse again. Respect to you, baby. Respect.
Hey, my girl, she does something to my chemistry. Oh. And when I'm close, I'm sure I raise her temperature about 3 degrees. Whoa. Every day, yeah. In every way, she makes my motor purr. And I reciprocate. My life I dedicate to loving her. So we've got a good thing going, a real good thing going, yeah. That girl and me. And I don't have to ask, I know it's gonna last eternally. Let me tell you what we got. Understanding, we're never handing any alibis. Hey, instead of what you do, where you been or what's the use, we're making nice. So we've got a good thing going, a real good thing going, yeah. That girl and me. And she don't have to ask, she knows it's gonna last eternally. Oh, you know we've got a good thing going, a real good thing going, yeah. My girl and me. And we don't have to ask, we know it's gonna last eternally. Yeah. Every day, yeah. In every way she makes my motor burn. And I reciprocate, my life I livicate to loving her. Well, you know we've got a good thing going, a real good thing going, yeah. That girl and me. And I don't have to ask, I know it's going to last eternally. Oh, we've got a good thing going, real good thing going, yeah. My girl and me. Why don't you spend some time with me? No excuse, I need you. Baby, I've been so caught up in work I couldn't see. Now one thing for sure, I don't wanna lose you. So may I go love up my woman, love up my woman. Spend some quality time with my woman. Love up my woman, hug up my woman. Makes you feel special tonight. Love up my woman, love up my woman. Spend some quality time with my woman. Care with my woman, share with my woman. Makes you feel special tonight. Love life of a balance, yes it is a challenge. Must separate work from play. 24/7 in a road like stoplight. It can't work, no sir, no way. Have to find a ways and you have to make space to make you feel great, night or day. And any man will not treat him girl right, I make a great mistake. So my youth, love up your woman, love up your woman. Spend some quality time with your woman. Love up your woman, hug up your woman. Makes you feel special tonight. Oh yeah, love up your woman, hug up your woman. Spend some quality time with your woman. Care with your woman, share with your woman. Makes you feel special for life. So why don't you spend some time with me? No excuse, I need you. Baby, I've been so caught up in work I couldn't see. Now one thing's for sure, I don't wanna lose you. Me now love no space for your next man running. Come intervene and take away my queen. Me now go a party and left her lacking. When me step, she step, together we a team. Ain't no disrespect to my friend them, but check this. Lose and you lose, you might lose your empress. Don't vex, just keep your loving in a excess. Hey my youth, love up your woman, love up your woman. Spend some quality time with your woman. Love up your woman, hug up your woman. Makes you feel special tonight. Hey, hey, love up your woman, hug up your woman. Spend some quality time with your woman. Care with my woman, share with my woman. Makes you feel special for life. Oh, baby. Lady. Hey, you think I don't
don't care. 'Cause everything over, they will never everywhere. Now friends really bad about me, they never yet say good. But it's one thing I like about you, you always do as you should. And that's why if I don't have you, then for me there'd be nobody else. Believe me. I may stay away for a night or two, but all from of respect unto you is still you. So staying away makes you feel mad, it makes you feel blue. But it's not that I really mean to embarrass you. So darling, if I don't have you, then for me there'd be nobody else. No, oh no, no. And even if the river should run dry, then for me there'd be nobody else. Believe me. If I don't have you, nobody else will do. Oh no, no. Oh no. Exactly how it goes. Well, I am 2 miles away from your home, so I decided to phone. Oh yes, it's true. 2 miles away from happiness. In a few minutes, I won't be alone. Oh no, no. To satisfy my curiosity, you put my dreams to reality. The good old loving that you give to me, surely, surely set me in ecstasy. Believe you me, yes, baby, yes. You're a cat about the rest. That bling, bling, bling. Yes, baby, yes. When it comes to loving, you're the best. Now we treat you to the test, where I must confess, yes, baby, yes. Oh gosh, you're a cut about the rest. I must confess, now I've got to let you know exactly I'm going. Ooh, baby, well, I am 2 miles away from your home, so I decided to phone. 2 miles away from happiness. In a few minutes, I won't be alone. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. Please give me a chance so I can make my confession. Although I was wrong, won't you you please overrule your objection and give me one chance so that I can make things up with you. I must apologize, 'cause I'm so sorry to treat you so cruel. Although I was wrong, seem I was only playing a fool. So just one more chance, so we can talk this thing over. One more chance, 'cause I don't wanna end as the loser. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. I must apologize, 'cause I'm sorry to treat you so cruel. Although I was wrong, I was only playing a fool. So please give me a chance, so I can make my confession. Although I was wrong, won't you please overrule your objection and give me one chance, so that I can make things up with you. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Listen, darling. Now who's gonna hold and squeeze me tight? Now that she's gone out of my life, who's gonna make me feel the way she used to do? Yeah, now that my love is overdue. Now that my love is overdue, I'm all alone in the wilderness, searching to find some peace and rest. Although she wasn't the best girl, but she brought happiness into my world. And now I'm a prisoner of loneliness. Said I'm a prisoner of loneliness. That's what I am. Whose voice is gonna say goodnight? Now that she's gone out of my sight, who's gonna tell me lies and let me think they're true? Yeah, now that my love is overdue. Now that my love is overdue, can you see right now? And I don't know if I were a carpenter and you were a lady, would you marry me anyway? Would you have my baby? If I were a miller and the mill should grind me, would you miss your lover, man? Your soft shoe shiner, yes. Oh, sweet baby. If a tinker were my trade, would you still find me? Absolutely, yes, I would. Come give me your tomorrow. If I were a carpenter and you were a lady, would you marry me anyway? Would you have my baby? Well, well. Oh, baby.
Come give me your tomorrow. Yeah. Oh, baby. Well. If I were a carpenter and you were a lady, would you marry me anyway? Would you have my babies? If I were a miller and the mill should grind me, would you miss your lover man, your soft shoe shiner? See my love through loneliness, see my love through sorrow. I'm giving you my onlyness. Come give me your tomorrow.
Look what you have done, showing me the sun, and now it's shining through. It's so nice to be with you, so nice to be with you. Hey, I like the things you're saying, and I like the way you do the things you do. It's so nice to be with you, so nice to be with you. Hey, it's so nice to be with you. Each time that I give my heart to someone new, they just turn it blue. But this time, it's my time, and my time is all the time I have to be with you. So please, never go away. Say you're gonna stay, and to make my dreams come true. It's so nice to be with you, so nice to be with you.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Every time I call you on the phone, they tell me that you're not at home. But last night, when I called you, before I say hello, oh, I could hear you singing in the background. Oh yeah, tell him I'm not home. You're not at home. If by chance you found somebody new and you don't know what to say or do, I feel better when I call you. If you ask me not to call instead of hear you singing in the background, oh
a dance last Saturday night. I was feeling tipsy and the mood was right. Sight a little daughter and I step in the corner, 'cause I feel like dancing all night. But I said, cool down the pace for me, little woman. You're dubbing it too fast for me. Cool down the pace for me, little woman. That's not how it should be. I told her to try. I don't know why. No use trying 'cause she can't, and so she do it how she wants. So I said, cool down the pace for me, little woman. You're rocking it too fast for me. Cool down the pace for me, little woman. That's not how it should be. You're rocking too fast for me. Problems in your love life, and things ain't really right. Self-insane. Luckily you've just found yourself Mr. Right. Gonna brighten up your life. Oh yes I will. Ever since the day we met, we're communicating on the internet. I will turn you wrong to right. Just link me on my website. Girl, www.love.com. We can have some fun. Oh yes we will. www.love.com. 'Cause love is not yet done. Oh. Say goodbye to loneliness, girl, and hello to happiness. I'm gonna turn you're wrong to right. Leave me. Just link me on my website. Girl, www.love.com. Victory. Smile. Fighting against conviction, yeah. One man against all nations. So I became one man against the world. Lord. One man against the world. Oh boy. Fighting against men and people, yeah. Fighting against all evil. Lord no. Or who they really are. They might win the battle, but they just won't win the war. 'Cause I am one man against the world. One man against the world. The victory is mine. Lord no. Fighting against conviction. Say this a one man against all nation. Why? I didn't possess no diamonds, no pearl, so I became one man against the world. Oh God. One man against the world. The victory is mine. Lord no. Fighting against men and people, yeah. Fighting against all evil. Lord no. But don't care where they're from or who they really are. They might win the battle, but they just won't win the war. Oh, this year, one man against the world.